It says flushable wipes right here on the package.
No, stop right there. They're flushable, but they do not dissolve. Just don't flush baby wipes, please.
Give me one good reason why I'm not supposed to flush them.
One, they do not dissolve. They don't fucking dissolve. Don't flush down your toilet, but then it's my problem to take care of you.
Okay, give me two good reasons.
One, it's they do not dissolve. The other one, they actually just snag onto anything that's in the pipe. If your pipes are not clean, they'll get caught. They'll start building up, you know? I've been in jobs so many times where they had 150 wipes in a drain and they didn't know why. Well, a client was actually bringing them in. So they say flushable, they're not flushable. They're flushable, but they're not dissolvable. They should say that. I don't know what plumbing company said approved by plumbers. They're not. They're not. I want to slap them. Honestly. Yeah. This is a perfect example. They just start building up, and next thing you know, hey, I'm getting stopped up. Well, that's your issue. Just minimize that. Use toilet paper. You can either use 2-ply, 3-ply, stuff that's very dissolvable. But please don't use baby wipes. That's unless you actually enjoy spending money. It's okay. Call me. Call me. 714-632-0170. Call us.